5 helpful things to do to start your personal fitness program. The most well-known test that individuals I converse with face is the way to fuse wellness into their lives. They realize they need to plan something for Get Fit as a Fiddle, however they truly don't know how. It very well may be debilitating, a direct result of the bounty of data out there. Such a lot of that you may not realize where to start. Our general public has so numerous food decisions that it is not difficult to pack on the additional pounds. Additionally, our everyday positions are less physical as they were 100 years back, so we have more stationary ways of life. We know there are benefits included when we exercise and tidying up our diet. Be that as it may, the majority of us don't know how or where to begin. So where do we start? Or then again is the issue, how would we start? The absolute first thing you need do is go to your PCP and get the endorsement to begin working out. Your PCP may give some accommodating tips also. After you get the okay from your PCP, attempt these 5 things to assist you with beginning. Settle on the choice to start exercising and eating right. Settling on the choice to accomplish something gives a type of responsibility you made to yourself. Concluding that you need to change conduct makes additional opportunities. At the point when you state to yourself, I need to get fit as a fiddle, it implies something. You ought to be responding to these inquiries in your psyche: when would I be able to work out? What activities do I need to do? What nourishments would it be advisable for me to eat? Make yourself consider the responsibility you just made. Really, at that time you can relinquish the past and find a way to push ahead. Record what you do. You need a reference that is practical towards your week after week movement. Record all that you do during the week. This ought to incorporate work hours, driving hours, evenings went through with your mate, your child's exercises, and whatever else you can think about that you do. You ought to likewise incorporate what you do on ends of the week. You should make a rundown for every day of the week. Here's why. A few people set grand objectives like turning out for 2 hours every day. This can be because of a familiar adage, more is better. Nonetheless, this isn't the situation. Realizing your timetable will help you set practical objectives and help you locate a couple of hours 7 days to begin working out. You'll have a visual point of view on how you can and can't manage your daily practice. Research and get information. A great many people need more data before they start a workout program. So how would we get the data we need? The uplifting news is we live in the data age. Exploit your #1 web index and become familiar with a tad about wellness and nourishment. Be that as it may, don't go over the edge and lose center. Discover a wellspring of data you like and take notes. Locate the least difficult and most straightforward exercises and nourishment tips. Don't overburden yourself with data. In the event that you have the cash, enlist a fitness coach for a couple of meetings to assist you with beginning. Employing a fitness coach is an extraordinary method to begin since you have made a guarantee to meet somebody to exercise. You will likely have the coach show you the nuts and bolts on exercise and eating better. It might likewise be more secure to figure out how to play out the activities, particularly in the event that you have not practiced for some time. Make a simple plan and set realistic goals. Keep it simple. Following a basic arrangement while on a tumultuous timetable is a lot simpler than following a detailed arrangement. You ought to have an arrangement of which days you need to work out and one objective to change your dietary patterns for the following not many weeks. For instance, I will turn out for 30 minutes for 3 days in the current week. I will eat somewhat less every supper. Straightforward as achievement. Execute your plan. Since you have an arrangement, you should simply follow it. Don't stop until you're proud. This is another enormous advance. You should take a gander at your arrangement consistently after waking. You need be intellectually ready for the extraordinary day in front of you. Having your everyday plan for hand will assist you with accomplishing your objectives for the afternoon. At the point when you complete your exercise for the afternoon, feature it or cross it off your rundown. It will show you that you achieved something for yourself, regardless of what you should execute. This will be the hardest, and generally fulfilling, step. I trust these things assist you with beginning on another existence of actual wellness. Life is loaded up with deciding, knowing your responsibilities, getting data, arranging and execution. Attempt these methodologies for yourself and you will see that having your own exercise and nourishment program isn't as outlandish or confounded as you might suspect. Please subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video so others can see it too.